Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an absolute treat for you. There's no denying we're fully immersed in the digital revolution and what's not to love, especially when you can bag the most drool-worthy electronics shipped free and fast straight to your doorstep in just 2 days. That's why we've scoured Amazon, your tech playground, to bring you gadgets so amazing even the most tech-challenged amongst us will not just use them, but be totally hooked. Now, we're not talking your regular voice-activated remote controls or motorized blackout shades. Oh no, we're talking seriously rad devices that you didn't even know your life was missing until now. We're talking Amazon's chosen products. These 12 golden finds all at your fingertips. Worried these fresh off the conveyor belt tech marvels will burn a hole in your pocket? Then I have great news. A good chunk of our top selections come in under $40. Feeling a bit extra? Ready to splurge on some high-end gadgetry? Then let us direct you towards the top-selling Dyson cooling and air purifying fan. How about a state-of-the-art robotic vacuum that syncs with an app, keeping your floors pristine without you lifting a finger? Now that's what we call living the tech dream. So before we start, don't forget to leave a like and turn on the notifications bell. Now buckle up, sit back and get ready to add these game-changing gadgets to your cart. Gear up, home chefs, for this game changer in your kitchen. The Aroma Housewares Digital Cool Touch Rice Cooker, available at a steal for just $30 on Amazon. But don't be fooled by its title. This marvel isn't just a rice cooker. This versatile wonder can steam your veggies to crisp, tender perfection too. Getting on a health train or simply fancy a change of menu? It's time to sideline your air fryer and saute pan because this nifty gadget has got your back. Its compact design belies the magic it works on your ingredients, turning a simple meal into a gourmet experience. For such a compact device, it sure packs a punch with its features. 4 preset digital functions making your cooking experience as effortless as a breeze. Be it fluffy rice or crunchy veggies, the results are always perfectly delicious. And there's more. Who doesn't love a warm meal ready at their convenience? Once the cooking's done, it automatically switches to keep warm mode, so your food stays hot until you're ready to serve. All this goodness comes in a 2-quart size that's perfect for your kitchen counter. Sure, it may seem small, but trust us when we say this dynamite of a gadget can totally reinvent your mealtime. Unleash your inner chef with the Aroma Housewares Digital Cool Touch Rice Cooker. Your taste buds will thank you for it. Calling all coffee aficionados. You yearning for that cafe-quality cappuccino at the comfort of your home? Look no further than the PowerLix handheld milk frother, an absolute must-have for every latte lover out there. Priced at just $30 on Amazon, this tool will transform your coffee-making experience without breaking the bank. Remember how whipped coffee was all the rage during the early days of the pandemic? That's right, that silky, frothy goodness atop your beverage can now be yours at the push of a button. With this nifty device, you can effortlessly create the same creamy, foamy layer that's the hallmark of a perfect cup of joe. Here's the cherry on top, its compact design. This sleek and portable tool can comfortably fit into even the smallest drawer in your kitchen, making it super easy to store. So you don't need a massive coffee machine taking up your precious counter space to get barista-style coffee. Although it doesn't come with batteries, its affordable price tag and the value it brings make it totally worth it. So gear up and get ready to unleash your inner barista with the PowerLix handheld milk frother. Your mornings will never be the same again. Are you perpetually haunted by the specter of a drained phone battery, especially when there's not a power outlet in sight? Well, breathe easy, because the iWalk portable charger has got your back. This tiny marvel, no bigger than a pack of gum, is all you need to keep battery anxiety at bay. Just a half hour of charging and your phone's back in the game. This little lifesaver slips comfortably into your bag or pocket. Even though it takes about an hour and a half to fully recharge itself, it's worth every minute. Imagine the peace of mind you'll have knowing you're carrying your very own power outlet with you wherever you go for just $40. No more desperate hunting for outlets, no more rationing your phone usage. With the iWalk portable charger, you've got the power. Fed up with squinting at your phone's small screen for hours? Well, Dissolve Screen Magnifier is here to revolutionize your viewing experience. Priced at a bargain $25, this little marvel amplifies your screen size twofold, bringing cinema-like pleasure right into your hands. Imagine watching your favorite flicks, your cherished TV series, or those hilarious cat videos, all on a bigger, better display without draining your phone's battery life. And the best part, it's super portable, doesn't require batteries or charging, and it's as easy to use as 1, 2, 3. Just place it on a flat surface, prop your phone, and press play. Voila, movie time! Available in a variety of vibrant colors, it's a surefire way to enhance your mobile cinema experience. And while you might notice a slight blur on the screen, it's a small price to pay for the sheer convenience and viewing enjoyment it offers. So grab your popcorn, sink into your sofa, and let the Dissolve screen magnifier transport you to the world of large screen entertainment. Feeling anxious about leaving your straightener on after rushing out the house? Welcome the Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Smart Plug-in to your life. This brilliant little device not only helps keep your peace of mind intact, but also ushers in a whole new level of convenience for just $40. Connected through Wi-Fi, this smart plug has the power to control all your electronics, turning them on or off at the mere tap of your phone. Imagine firing up your coffee maker from the comfort of your bed, or switching off your living room lights without having to leave your warm blanket on a chilly night. And oh, the joy of waking up your kids without even setting foot in their room. Just flip their lights on right from your phone. Pure genius, isn't it? Sure, there might be occasional hiccups with the app connection, but let's be honest, the benefits of this little gadget far outweigh the minor glitches. So get ready to enjoy a seamless, smarter lifestyle with the Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Smart Plug, where convenience meets peace of mind. Clean homes, do we love them? Absolutely. Vacuuming though? Not so much. But hey, it's the 21st century. We've got the iRobot Roomba 694 robot vacuum to do the tedious work for us. Retailing at $250 on Amazon, this wonder gadget is a dream come true for neat freaks and anyone who values a spotless floor. Just imagine, no more lugging around heavy vacuums or spending precious time cleaning up when you could be relaxing or doing something you love. This smart little helper connects to your smartphone, allowing you to set up its cleaning schedule without even lifting a finger. And it's not just an ordinary vacuum. It comes with a self-charging function and even boasts dirt detection technology, meaning it knows where the dirt is hiding. Sure, it might struggle a bit in larger spaces, but in a compact home, apartment, or even office spaces, it's like having a dedicated, tireless cleaning buddy who's always at your service. Remember, according to associate shopping editor Jessica Cherner, it's worth every dollar. Ready to revolutionize the way you clean? The iRobot Roomba 694 robot vacuum is just a click away. Craving for a perfect slice of buttered bread but tired of wrestling with hard refrigerated butter? The simple Preting stainless steel butter spreader, priced at just $15 on Amazon, is your hero. This incredibly handy tool transforms rock-hard butter into thin, easily spreadable strands. Yes, the butter might get caught in the holes, but the payoff? Soft, evenly spread butter on your toast every single time. Enjoy a heavenly slice of bread with dinner. This tool is a game changer. At $50, the FitGeno Posture Corrector is a wise investment for your health. Designed to promote proper posture, this discreet and comfortable brace helps to correct slouching and hunching. With adjustable straps, it can be tailored to fit anyone and is lightweight enough to be worn under clothing. Discover the gentle nudge you need to start your mornings right with the JAWS Sunrise Alarm Clock. Gone are the days of getting startled out of your peaceful slumber. Instead, this clock gradually draws you out of sleep just like a natural sunrise. Starting at a dim 10% brightness and gradually glowing brighter until it hits full 100% intensity, this alarm clock simulates a beautiful morning sunrise right in your room. Coupled with a choice of 7 soothing natural sounds, it ensures you awaken in the most comfortable and serene way possible. Sure, it might be a bit tricky to customize settings for different days, but the tranquil wake-up experience makes it worth your while. This nifty alarm clock makes the dread of waking up early a thing of the past. With it at your bedside, each morning promises a warm, gentle start, just what you need for a productive day ahead. Your mornings will never be the same again. Upgrade to the JAWS Sunrise Alarm Clock, because you deserve to rise and shine every single day. Feast your eyes on the Dyson PureCool Air Purifier, the gem in the crown of Dyson's tech-savvy products. You've heard about Dyson's hair care range, but let's shift gears to their air purifiers. Yes, it comes with a premium price tag, but trust us, the payoff is huge. Plus, it's currently on sale, $150 off. This air purifier is a double threat. Not only does it deliver cool breezes during those sweltering summer days, but it also acts as a diligent guardian of your indoor air quality. Thanks to the integrated HEPA filter, it efficiently filters out an impressive 99.97% of allergens and pollutants from the air. So you can sit back, relax, and breathe easy knowing your Dyson has your back and lungs. But the cherry on top? It's Amazon Alexa compatible, so you can control your Dyson PureCool with just your voice. And trust us, this isn't your typical fan. No need to stick right in front of it to feel its effect. Even if you're on the other side of the room, you'll feel the cool, pure breeze. As Cherner rightly puts it, you can sit on the other side of the room and still feel the chill. Shivers and chills be gone. If you're always reaching for another layer when the temperature drops, the homemade heated blanket electric throw is just what you need. At just $32 on Amazon, it's a total steal and a cozy addition to your home. With 5 heat settings, you're in control of your comfort, creating a personal cocoon of warmth. And don't worry about falling asleep while it's on. Its built-in overheat protection has got you covered. Plus, it automatically switches off after 4 hours, so it's energy efficient too. This isn't just a blanket, it's a ticket to a warm, snuggly haven all year round. Be ready, it could easily become your favorite home decor item during fall and winter. Number 12, last but not least. In this day and age, a reliable home security system is more than a smart choice, it's essential. Enter the Google Nest Security Camera, your vigilant eye keeping watch over your home, family, and personal belongings. Priced at $330 on Amazon, this pack of 2 weatherproof cameras can differentiate between a person, an animal, and a vehicle, sending prompt alerts directly to your Google Home app as per the situation. Battery operated and free from the shackles of wires, you can install them anywhere around your home. Want to peek into what's going on back home? Just open your Google Home app and stream live, crystal clear 1080p HDR video anytime, anywhere. Remember, batteries aren't included, but hey, the peace of mind you get, that's priceless. And that's our roundup of 12 cool Amazon tools that are absolutely worth buying. Whether you're on the hunt for the latest tech gadget, something to streamline your day-to-day, or the perfect gift for a loved one, Amazon is the place to go. As always, we have the links to all the products in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such amazing finds. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one.